Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Bybit in 2025, you're in the right place. This full guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Whether you're trading crypto or just moving funds, this is a must-know skill in the evolving world of digital assets. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase and Bybit account set up. You'll need some USDT in your Coinbase wallet, and always double-check that your accounts are verified to avoid any hiccups. Crypto transfers can be straightforward, but they require attention to detail to prevent losses. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Head over to the Assets, or Portfolio, section, find your USDT, and click on it. Then, select the Withdraw option. This is where you choose the network for your transfer. Options might include Tron, TRC20, Ethereum, ERC20, or others. I recommend using Tron for faster and cheaper fees, but pick the one that matches your Bybit setup. Next, log into your Bybit account. Go to the Assets, or Deposit page, select USDT, and choose the same network you picked on Coinbase. Copy the deposit address provided. It's a long string of characters, so be careful not to miss any letters or numbers. Now, back on Coinbase, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything: the address, the amount you're sending, and the network. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to enter a 2FA code for security. After that, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Bybit account to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan or Tronscan. A few quick tips. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works. Watch out for network fees, which can add up, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, remember that crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you can afford to lose. There you have it. That's how to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Bybit in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.